Hi guys, right now we're going to be making the Mind Jar, which we see this is our final product right here. It's gonna look a little bit like this, depending on what color glitter that you have. This one was blue, and the one I will be showing you is the green one. So for this Mind Jar, you're going to be needing the jar that is in your craft box along with the glitters that are inside, and then a little bit of warm water. Warm water works a little bit better than cold water. And then your clear craft glue that comes in the bottle. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take out this glitter. Not gonna open them up just yet. So I just have the jar just like this. And at first, what the instructions say is that you will be putting your clear glue in around 1/8 to 1/3 full. So that would be around here. So I'm gonna put it to about 1/3 of the bottle. So you can unscrew it. I'm just gonna pour it right in. You're gonna watch as it fills your jar. I have 2 here just because this one will run out. Okay, moving on to the second one. And I'm gonna keep it right to that point. So I'm gonna make sure that I screw the lid onto my glue again so that none falls out. And next, we're gonna start adding in our glitter. So you can start with any one that you want. I'm gonna start with the ones that are in these little jars because they're the easiest to put in. And you wanna be really careful not to spill it as you put it into the jar. So do it slowly if you have to. And if you do end up spilling it, something that could work to help clean it up is a damp paper towel or a vacuum, like a small vacuum if you have one. Those tend to clean it up the best. Next I'm putting this jar, just like that. It will go in. It might be a little stuck in there. But you can tap it out or use a toothpick to help you get it out. There you go. And the last one is the main packet of glitter. Now be careful because this one does tend to get everywhere. I might need some scissors though to help me. Okay, now that I have my scissors, I can cut this right at the edge so the glitter doesn't get everywhere. Just be really careful. I'm gonna slowly pour it in, making sure not too much of it falls out. It's a lot, so be patient. Okay, just like that. And next, we're gonna be using our warm water, and we're gonna fill it up to almost the top. So I'd say around 1 inch away from the top. Be sure you're holding onto it tightly. Just about right there. So if we leave it an inch of free space, what we can do is that we can close the bottle and securely cap it, and then we can see how much more glue or how much more water or glitter that we want. So we need to put the cap on, make sure it's on tightly. You can start shaking it to see how much it mixes. So I see right here, I think I might want to add a little bit more water and a little bit more glue so it fills up a little bit more. So you can do that. You can unscrew it again. I'm gonna add a little bit more. And you can do it to around the top now that you know what you need to add. Okay, I'm gonna cap it one more time. making sure it's very tight. I'm gonna shake it one more time. You can see some of the chunky glitters are staying at the bottom, which looks really nice when you look at it from this angle. And here is your Mind Jar. What you can do now that you're done is that you can hot glue the cap on so that it doesn't fall off again. I'm gonna leave it just as is in case I want to add some more glitter later, which you can also do. But just a single ring of glue, not too much. You don't want it to be too chunky that the cap doesn't go on. But otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.